where power is engineered at an unimaginable scale.
Every Mahan machine begins with raw strength. Precision begins at the moment raw al-Quwa is controlled. Organized with precision, built for perfection. Cut with light, shaped with precision. From structure rises identity, shaped with precision.
Every seam sealed with engineered perfection. Perfection begins when every imperfection disappears.
The foundation of perfection begins with a single layer.
Now it becomes identity, bold, powerful, unstoppable. Heat locks perfection.
Force meets precision, shaping the backbone of power. Every joint fused with flawless precision.
Measured to perfection, at knee, down to the smallest detail.
From molten al-Quwa, the heart takes shape. Every surface perfected, one at microscopic precision. Inside the engine, perfection is assembled piece by piece. Now it breathes, power calibrated to perfection. The heart meets its frame in perfect alignment. Power flows forward through perfectly aligned motion. Strength beneath power, built to carry the impossible.
Now it stands on strength, ready for the road ahead. Lasting strength. Perfected by fire, revealed in light. Inside the cabin, intelligence comes alive. Comfort is engineered, crewed, with the same precision as power. Now every system speaks as one intelligent machine.
Before the lift comes the foundation of strength. The giant arrives, engineered for precision, strength. Power is not placed, it is precisely positioned. Now it becomes one, locked by engineering precision. This is where strength begins to flow, through pressure and control. Built to reach further, with controlled precision. Before the lift comes absolute stability. Now control becomes unified. Man and machine as one. Every drop tuned for perfect performance. First breath of a fully engineered machine. Controlled power, unfolding with precision. This is where strength is proven. under real weight. Control is nothing until every turn and stop obeys it.
Precision that defines perfection. Where perfection gets its final shine. Identity sealed with perfection.
The result of absolute precision.
Power awakens with control.
Step by step toward delivery. From precision to the open world.
Engineered for movement, built for control.
Power extended into precision. Where scale meets perfection. Built to shine at the edge of day. Precision lives inside every movement.
Control designed for absolute precision. Identity forged in light.
Designed in balance, built in strength. Strength grounded in absolute stability.
Unity in motion, strength in formation.
Precision seen from every angle. Standing alone, built to dominate.
Every movement carries controlled power.
Suspended strength, perfectly controlled.
From inside the machine, control begins. Power unleashed on open roads.
The journey begins beyond the gates.
Not just moving, it dominates motion. Coming forward with unstoppable force.
Every journey leads to the horizon.
Identity that moves beyond the road. Every journey becomes a legacy.
Even in night, precision stays bright. Engineered to be remembered. From raw steel to perfect strength. Built to dominate every frame.